Hello students, good morning. Let me start our lesson number 5, refund from our workbook. Now the first question is from vocabulary. Write synonyms of each of the following words. So all of you know that the synonym means the word which have similar meaning. Now the first one is numbskull, means stupid, pupil, student, expect, to hope to, excellent, eminent, opinion, estimation. So you have to find the meaning of these words with the help of your dictionary. Say the following words with proper stress. Geography, zoology, geology, archaeology, economics, statistics, English, botany, and technology. So you have to try to read it. Listening skill. So you have to listen it very carefully. It is this one is a timetable used by the pupil of class 8th. Pupil means student, means class 8th के students का timetable है इधर. It is the timetable of class 8th student. So here on Monday, first there is assembly, then first period is social science, second is computer practical, third one is mathematics, fourth is Hindi, then break, fifth is English, sixth is physical education. So like that, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday there is a timetable for Monday to Friday of class 8th student. So with the help of this timetable you have to find the answer of which two subjects are taught all the 5 days of the week. So here you see English and the mathematics are taught in all the 5 days. Next, which subjects are taught once a week? Which subject taught once a week? So with the help of timetable you find it that computer, drama and craft. These subjects are taught only once a week. Third question is, if the pupil of class 8th want to use the library, so which days will they be able to do this and in which periods? So here you see the library period is on Wednesday and on Thursday. Wednesday this period is on, there is in 5th period and in 6th period on Thursday. Anurag's favorite subject is social studies. Which day or days does he like best? So on Monday and on Tuesday first period Anurag's like best. Richa has not been well and has been asked not to do any physical exercise. So on which days and in which periods would she be free? So the physical education period is on Monday, 6th period, and on Wednesday, 6th period. So on Monday and Wednesday in 6th period, Richa will free. Here, next reading skill. Read the following passage carefully and answer it. Education is the sacred instruments for building the nation. Teachers is the most crucial job of molding the character of individuals and thereby of shaping the society itself. Education is a medium through which he will direct human energies and human capacities to the advancement of human zeal. Upon the nature and character of education imparted by him depends the future of the nation. It need not be emphasized that there is a causal relationship between education on the one hand and economic growth and social progress on the other. As teachers have to administer this education, one can imagine the colossal responsibility they have of performing this stupendous task. While they perform this task, they should keep in mind that education is not learning what to do, but becoming the kind of person who knows what to do. Child is not just a learner of history or science. His interest, his aptitudes, his habits and everything else which goes towards the development of his personality comes within the teacher's preview. Teachers have to produce mentally healthy individuals who have well-integrated personalities. Teachers represent the ideals and aspirations of the nation and owe to it the moral and mental accountability of equipping the youth for active participation in the high enterprise of creating a social order which shall dispense equal justice to all. As ideal teacher, they have to strive along with their wards to build up the nation in conformity with the lofty ideals laid down in our constitution. This great aim can be realized by effective, brilliant teachers, teachers who are equipped with the training that has a direct bearing on the quality of life in the community, and that will serve as the chief means for the transformation of society. Such teachers can make their contribution to the building up of a new idea as an India that holds fast to the traditional culture of the past and is both forward-looking and future-oriented. It is these teachers alone who can provide through rich dynamic education all that the country needs for its property. Here complete the sentences. Education is bound to achieve its goal of all-round development in if they should keep in mind that education is not learning to do what to do, but becoming the kind of person who knows what to do. Second question, the future of the nation depends upon nature depends upon the character of education imparted by him. Depends the future of nation. Third one, an ideal teacher with good education, ideals and aspiration of nations owe to it the moral and mental accountability. D. This great aim can be realized by effective, brilliant teachers. What is the aim? The aim is to building up of a new India, an India that holds fast to the traditional culture of the past and is both forward-looking and future-oriented. In next question, find words in the passage which mean the opposite of the following: inferior, superior, immoral, moral. So students, your homework is to complete your lesson number 5, refund, and learn it. Thank you.